This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add a custom image to the new tab page on the Mozilla Firefox web browser. Let me jump over to Firefox here. I have the Firefox web browser opened up now. I'm going to go up top here and I'm going to click on the little plus icon next to my tab. That will open the new tab page, and your new tab page probably looks a little bit like this. But you can customize this. If you go down to the lower right hand corner, down to the little pencil icon, you want to click on the pencil icon. And then if you go up top here, you can turn a lot of stuff off. If I wanted to turn the weather thing off, I would toggle this off. If I want to turn off my shortcuts, I would turn this off. If I wanted to turn off the recommended stories, I would turn this off. And then if you want to turn off your recent activity here, you need to go down to where it says Manage More Settings. Click on that. Then you want to scroll down just a little ways, and right here is the recent activity. You can go with 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows. If you want to turn it off, you just uncheck this box. Now I'm going to go back to the new tab page. As you can see, now I just have a search bar, and actually in settings, if you wanted to remove the search bar, you could, but that would kind of make the new tab page kind of useless. Now if you want to add a custom image, you want to go off to the lower right hand corner, down to the little pencil icon, click on that. Then you want to go up here, and under Wallpapers, you'll see it says Upload an Image. You want to click on Upload an Image. It'll open a little dialog box. And from here you would select the image that you want to upload. I'm going to select this one here. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on Open. Now I'm going to close my little sidebar here. That is how to add a custom image to the new tab page in Firefox. Thanks for watching.